Hey guys, tonight on Rush's Restoration, we will be fixing the hood, which means rebending this metal out, straightening it up, and putting a chrome piece over top of this. Hopefully soon this week we will be getting the new headlight and the new fog light in. So let's see how straight we can get this hood.
We're both drunk.